Let's get cooking. The luxury Midwest Sprinter van offers many different cooking options. In this particular Midwest Weekender, we have the Frigidaire Induction Cooktop. It's an exceptional induction cooktop that offers numerous features to help you cook quickly and easily. It has excellent safety features like pan detection, heat indicator lights, and locking capabilities. That's important so the little ones don't change any of your settings that help you cook that perfect egg or that perfect dinner. To turn our Frigidaire Induction Cooktop on, we'll find our power button all the way to the right. We can turn that on. You'll see a red indicating light that will come up. We can then set the power, which is currently set at 4. We can turn that down if we like, or we can turn that up. Now, because it has pan detection, you'll notice that it actually shut off on us. It's important when we start operating these settings that we do have our pan on there. So again, we'll turn it on. We'll go to the set power. And you hear it working already. After we set our power to our ideal temperature, you can then go to our timer and set that. By hitting the timer button on, we can then use the high-low arrow keys. We can change it to our desired time. When everything's perfect, you can actually use your locking button to make sure that you don't accidentally bump anything that would change your ideal temperature or your ideal time. This is also great if you have any little ones that might reach up here and accidentally change those times or temperatures. Now, if you'd like to unlock that, you just hold the unlock button down. The red light will go off and you can change your settings, like your timer, if we need to make it go longer, or maybe we need to set the power. Maybe we need to turn it up, maybe we need to turn it down. And it gets hot very quickly and it will cook very fast. So make sure that you keep an eye on it, especially if you're not used to an induction cooktop. That's how we operate our Frigidaire Induction Cooktop.